This video, we're going to prove the following fact. If you have two normal subgroups of G, then their intersection is also a normal subgroup of G. If you like watching mathematical proofs, hopefully like the one I'm about to give, you should seriously consider subscribing to my channel, as this is what we do here. We prove mathematical facts and theorems and lemmas and corollaries. How about we get into this proof? So the intersection of two normal subgroups of G. Need to show that it's a normal subgroup of G. So let us start off with two normal subgroups of G. Let N be normal in G and K be normal in G. Now, I want to show that N intersect K is normal. So let's write that down. Must show that N intersect K is normal in G. That is, I need to show that G times N intersect K is contained times G inverse is contained in N intersect K. Now, we don't need what I put into parentheses for the proof. What I do want to say is, we know by previous theorem that N intersect K is a subgroup of G, because N being a normal subgroup of G is a subgroup of G, and K being a normal subgroup of G, K is a subgroup of G, and the intersection of two subgroups of G is in fact a subgroup of G. So we know that. Okay, so now suppose we consider the following. Let G be in G, and we consider G N intersect K times G inverse. G times N intersect K times G inverse. So let's see what we can do with this. Again, we want to show that it either equals N intersect K or it lives in N intersect K. I can play the associative game here. Can play the associate game. We know by a previous theorem that I proved that this here is Gn intersect Gk times G inverse. But remember that N and K are normal. That means I can switch those. And G intersect Kg times G inverse. But this here is the same as N intersect K times G inverse. But that's N intersect K times G inverse, which is N intersect K times G inverse, better known as E, and N intersect K times E is N intersect K. Okay, so let's see. I started off with this. I showed it equals this, which equals that, which equals that, and that, and that, and this, and finally that. This is equal to that. That implies that N intersect K is 100% normal in the group G. And as a result, that completes this proof. As always, if you like watching mathematical proofs like this, subscribe to my channel. Please click the like button, leave a comment, notify your friends, family, and enemies about my channel. See you guys in the next video. Watch and learn.